So to let you in on a secret, that's what happens with those kits that you put on a platform, those little metal kits for your portable buildings, when a high wind gets to it. Just to let you know. See you guys.
This is what street, Dad?
Oak.
Which is the street we tried to go down yesterday?
Oak Street, can't you tell? Look at the oaks on the street. Powerline Street, they should call it Powerline Street.
Oh, look at that house.
Yep, this side town. Roofing force. Up the side.
This will take you to the back side of Walnut.
Sort of. You can't get to the backside.
Church got messed up.
Look down there.
Very common sign right now is chainsaw.
I think I can't get across there.
You gotta go left.
That is the worst I've ever seen. Power lines across the road. You can't even. The guy's trying to drive on somebody's yard. This is not going to go through, I don't think.
I'm checking the hand. Nope, doesn't take you back through that where we were last time. Nope, can't get through. This is the same. This is where the neighborhood we were in last time where we couldn't get through.
Power lines down. Can't get through.
No, even if you went that way, it would still go out that way.
Look at that.
Roof tore off that one.
Gonna be a lot of chainsaws and generators for cheap right here.
Oh yeah, next month.
Don't need this no more, it needs to go. Well, so much for that idea. Can't get through because of power lines.
But people are just talking. Holding everyone up. Well, this is where we were at last time, so.
Yeah.